I'd like to dispel two myths about marijuana use in Wisconsin. The first revolves around penalties. Even though marijuana is legal in 2 states and is generally considered a fairly minor offense around Wisconsin in most counties, it's still a criminal misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in jail or a $1,000 fine. So people tend to get lulled into thinking that because it's treated so leniently in other states that somehow they're not going to have any issues here, or somehow they're not going to be held in a criminal case. And nothing could be further from the truth. And the penalties are what they are, and really you're at the whim of the prosecutor whether you're going to get a citation or whether you're going to get a criminal charge. And you don't want to put yourself in that position. The other myth is what would happen if several people are in an automobile that gets pulled over and you're the driver and one of your buddies in the back seat has some pot. Well, if the cop pulls you out of the car and he still has the pot on him, well, then he possesses the pot for purposes of criminal liability. But if he takes the pot out and leaves it anywhere in your car or anywhere near your seat, chances are you are going to be found responsible for that pot, even though you had nothing to do with it, under a theory called constructive possession. So in other words, under the law, if it's something that's in your car that you own or that you operate, that you control, and it's within your reach, you constructively possess that for the purposes of criminal law. So on these two fronts, a lot of people find themselves mixed up in the criminal justice system when they really didn't expect to, and when it's really unnecessary. So keep these two things in mind and protect yourself.